How to enable NSFW content on CivitAI. Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Viz. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to enable NSFW content on CivitAI. So now let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome on your PC. Now at the top search box, type in civitai.com and hit enter. Now you will be directed to the CivitAI website. In order to enable NSFW content, now simply tap on the profile section at the top right corner and then simply tap on settings at the bottom. Here at the settings section, scroll down to the middle and there you will see content moderation section which contains show mature content option. So enabling the show mature content option simply means enabling NSFW. So this is how to enable NSFW on CivitAI. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.